Few more minutes of my old birds. Modoc High Mountain zippers today. First day back with a walking cast. So pumped. It's been about 4 or 5 days. My son said that these birds been out because he's been concentrating on keeping the younger birds flown and the fraternity birds in this weather that we've been having. But they're looking pretty good. A little sloppy on the kidding a little bit, but man, it's looking good up there. Some nice spinners up there, I think, in my opinion. Very nice, I think. Very nice. Nice. Yeah, someone wanted to go left and right. Oh, that was a little, they wasn't sure who they wanted to go. Somebody got a couple of younger birds in there wanting to take the kit the other direction, but there they go, they regrouped. All right, get back in there, fellas. Some of them messed up there. Didn't quite commit right.